Alrighty, I'm trying really hard with my voice right now. I don't know what I have. I either have strep throat or a really bad cold that's just affecting my throat. So hopefully my voice is coming through okay. I apologize if this sounds really lame today. Anyways, we got a really exciting construction update for you guys today. We have Maxx Force at Six Flags Great America, and the support structure for the banana roll is going up. Really exciting news. A lot of people have been asking for a construction update out of Six Flags Great America, and boy, did my Six Flags manager deliver. So he took his drone up today and he got 4 different angles, some high resolution pictures that you'll see on the Instagram account over the next couple days from the drone and from his high definition camera. So I've already gone through the footage and it is absolutely stunning, and I've included it all. Normally I edit through footage and I'm like, okay, cut this, cut that, cut this, cut that. We don't need it, but this footage is absolutely stunning. Six Flags Great America in the winter looks absolutely beautiful. So I'm actually going to turn the other half of this video into a music video for the park because the footage is that beautiful. So definitely watch it. He's got 4 different angles from the drone of Maxx Force and other coasters in the park. You're definitely going to want to check out these other shots. And he's got some up close shots as well in the high definition camera after the drone shots. So hopefully you guys really enjoy it. From what I know so far, they are aiming for a late May opening on Maxx Force, and that is really impressive for Six Flags. That is almost like a Cedar Fair coaster opening date. So definitely impressed by that. It looks like Six Flags Fiesta Texas and Six Flags Great America have those earlier openings for coasters, unlike some of the other parks in the chain. But definitely looking forward to getting on Maxx Force at some point. This coaster looks insane. And the team's going to be at some construction tours I don't have an exact date yet, but they are happening. And they'll be at the opening day for this as well. So a huge thank you to the team that has been covering Maxx Force for me, since I'm all the way in Toronto, Canada, and can't drive up there with my own drone and cover it myself. But a huge thank you to you guys for being interested in our coverage of Maxx Force. I know there are definitely big gaps in between our construction updates sometimes, and I apologize for that. He is a student, so school is more important than tracking the construction of a coaster, so that will come first. And whenever he's able to get out, we'll get some construction shots for you guys. But it is definitely worth the wait, because then you get a really epic update like this one. Anyways, that is the support structure for the banana roll. I assume it's the first. I think there's like 2 or 3 towers. 2 towers or something like that that then connect that will hold the banana roll. Always feel free to correct me down below in the comments section. I am open to constructive feedback or correcting anything that I get wrong. And that is the the section that goes down into the brakes and station, I believe, that we were just looking at. And yes, the banana rolls on the opposite side. So super excited. From what I'm also hearing, they're trying to get that certain section of the coaster done so they can get Whizzer back open for opening day of Six Flags Great America. What a tongue twister there. But yes, again, huge thank you for being interested in our coverage of Maxx Force. It is only going to get better, like Yukon Strikers coverage. We're going to get inside the park for you guys. And I'm so excited. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video for others to enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.